Savoury Potato Kugel Recipe. Hello, seasonal food lovers. Last week, I had a potluck dinner to go to, and had no time to make a grocery trip for anything specific. Instead, I chose my dish based on the tried and true technique known as what do I have in the fridge? What I had in the fridge: eggs, potatoes, 1 rutabaga, celeriac, cheese. Right. Kugel it is. Now some of you are surely already familiar with this term, but I had no idea what kugel was other than something with noodles. As it turns out, kugel is a traditional Jewish dessert or side dish, like a sweet quiche or a strata, typically made with potatoes or noodles as well as eggs, milk and cottage cheese or, sometimes, sour cream. The kugel I made is a savory dish, less popular than its sweeter cousin, but still delicious. Here's my recipe. You will need a cutting board, a sturdy knife. I actually use a small hatchet for rutabagas, but use what works for you. Large saucepan, potato masher, electric hand mixer, fork or other hand mixing tool, large, shallow casserole dish, 2 mixing bowls, 1 very large, 1 medium sized, a rubber spatula, a colander. Ingredients: 1 small rutabaga, peeled diced, (2c), 3 large potatoes, peeled and diced, (4c), 1/2 a celeriac, peeled and diced, (1c), 1 shallot, peeled and diced, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons butter or margarine plus extra to butter the casserole dish, 7 large eggs, separated, 1 c cream, or milk, 1/4 c cheddar, soft goat cheese, 1 teaspoon each, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, savory, 1 c grated Asiago cheese, 1 c grated old cheddar cheese, to top. Directions: preheat the oven to 350 F. Peel and dice the vegetables, aim for 1-inch cubes or smaller, but they don't have to be even. Put the diced vegetables in the saucepan and cover with water. Add the first teaspoon of salt and bring to a boil. Boil until vegetables are very soft and easy to mash. While the vegetables are boiling, separate the 7 eggs. Put the whites in the large bowl and yolks in the medium-sized bowl. Beat the egg whites with the electric mixer until they form stiff peaks. To the yolks, add the cream, cheddar, salt, pepper, savory, and garlic powder. Beat these together until they are creamy and well mixed. Once the vegetables are boiled, drain them in the colander. Add the 2 tablespoons to the empty saucepan, then put the boiled vegetables back in the saucepan and, using the potato masher, or the electric mixer, mash the vegetables until smooth. Add the yolk mixture and the grated Asiago cheese to the mashed vegetables and mix, using the fork, until well integrated. Add the vegetable mixture to the very large bowl of egg whites. Mix until well integrated. Grease the casserole dish with the extra butter. Pour the mixture into the casserole dish. Sprinkle the grated cheddar cheese over the top. Bake in the oven for at least 1 hour, more if you are using a deep dish, rather than a shallow one, or until the crust is a rich brown and a fork, inserted into the kugel, comes out damp, but clean. Allow kugel to sit for 5 minutes before serving. This dish works as a side or main, and is good with broccoli or steamed winter greens like collards or kale. It also works well with your favorite cranberry sauce and is an excellent use of leftover mashed potatoes or turnips if you have them lying around. Try it out and let me know how it goes.